Solving your stormwater problems is fantastic, but it's only part of the job. You want it to look smart as well. Now, two of the most common products that Reln produce is the Storm Mate and the Storm Drain. Easy to install and even easier to dress up because the choices when it comes to a grate is pretty much endless. All these guys here are made out of recycled plastic here in Australia. If you want to tie it into a paver, you might go for this sandstone color. Terracotta, you might go for this one. Or if it's up against the lawn, you'd go for the green. Lots of people like the black because it ties into what you can already see, and you can get it with a heel guard. Now the heel guard will pick up a little bit less water, but it's a lot nicer to walk on. Then you go to steel products. You got the ductile iron, it's actually class C, and everything else here is class A. You've got gal and stainless steel. And when it comes to stainless steel, you can go for this architectural design. A little bit more sophistication, a few more dollars, but it looks super smart. So that's the best thing about it. You've got heaps of choices, so your drainage isn't screaming out and contrasting your landscape. It's combining it or even making it look better.